Oh, it's just another beautiful sunny day by the ocean in Ogunquit, Maine, and I'm having a lot of fun. Did you know that Real Simple magazine listed Ogunquit as the top vacation destination in 2024, beating out cities and towns all over the world?
How you like my hot sauce?
Feeling hot, hot, hot. And when people come here for vacation, for the past 41 years, they've come right here to the Omelette Factory for a delicious and hearty breakfast.
Welcome to the Omelet Factory, Alika. Would you like a menu?
Yeah, 40 different omelets.
We've been doing that for 41 years.
Hi, Alika.
Hi, Bobby.
How are you today?
I am so hungry this morning. What are you gonna make us?
I'm gonna make you a vegetable jubilee omelette.
Vegetables always make me feel jubilee. Let's go.
This is some cauliflower, some broccoli, some mushrooms, some tomatoes, some onions, and some black olives. So we're gonna get that steam out real nice. So we're gonna put some American cheese on this.
And people can request whatever kind of cheese they want,
Every
right?
kind of cheese. We have cheddar, Feta, American, Swiss.
Oh,
Piece of bread on that. We're good. There you go, Alika. Enjoy your omelet.
oh, thank you. And Bobby,
Yeah.
I know you make your own hot sauce.
Yes, I do.
And I love hot sauce, so we gotta put some on here.
It's
Oh
the best.
yeah, oh yeah.
All right.
Okay,
Mm-mm. How about that?
my mouth is happy. I'm having some Jubilee experiences right here
Yeah.
in Chef Bobby's kitchen. Thank you. What is your perspective?
I'm really enjoying my breakfast. It's absolutely delicious. First time here, enjoying it thoroughly.
I love coming here, and my mom grew up summering here, and so it's always like a family tradition for us to come in the summer as well.
We had eaten here a long time ago, and it still is nice now as it was then. It was great.
It's really great up here, and the food's amazing, and it's much different than wherever else.
The New England omelet is so good, and I think it's really fun to try all the different stuff.
Everyone has like such great memories here. It's great to relive those with my family and friends.
Thank you for talking with us today, Mike.
Thank you for coming in. It's been a really special treat for us.
Well, tell us about the history of the Omelette Factory.
Well, it's been here for 41 years. I'm not the original owner. We've been carrying on the legacy, which is 40 different omelets. And it all started with Cindy, who had it for 28 years. People still come in today remembering Cindy cracking 4 eggs and making all the omelets back here.
And one of the reasons people come is to see Chef Bobby. What makes his food so special?
His personality, his charisma, and his singing voice, as well as ability to handle 250 customers, making food for them, talking with them, having great conversations.
And the Omelette Factory is a place for everybody?
Everybody, all ages. We get people from all over New England and all over the country. And you can see this map behind me. Everyone that comes puts a pin where they've come from. And we have a lot of people from the Midwest, even Alaska, Arizona, and of course overseas.
What hours are you open?
We're open every day except Monday, 7 a.m. to 1 p.m.
That's perfect, because you know when you're on vacation, you got to get your omelet at 12:35.
We have so many people come in at 11:30 or noon ready to have their first meal of the day.
Well, tell us about the dishes we have here.
So we have our lobster Benedict, which is a fan favorite, fresh lobster cooked with garlic and some onions and some hint of rosemary in. We have the sandwich that we offered, brought it in last year. It's your traditional New York style bagel with lox, capers, onions, and butter. The French toast is homemade bread we bake in-house, and we only use 100% real maple syrup from Maine. The omelets here, we have the rednecker, which is your meat and potatoes. It's stuffed with cheese, and it's usually overflowing, and believe it or not, people finish it.
And for the people who want the opposite of an all-meat omelet, what do we have?
Your favorite, the Jubilee. So it's got all the vegetables you can imagine. That's our #1 dish as well.
Thank you again for your time today, Mike.
I'm sure you'll be back again. Everyone comes back.
The next time you visit one of the top-rated vacation destinations in the entire world, make sure you stop by the Omelette Factory for breakfast, because what kind of vacation is complete without a hearty start to your morning? And that's my perspective. Hey, New England, what's your perspective? The Omelette Factory in Ogunquit, Maine.